This is a design file for Husqvarna Viking sewing machines. You can't edit the stitch path without paid software, but you can view the final pattern for free. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the free viewer. Be sure to stick around for the end. I'll introduce the single most powerful HUS inspection tool that can address this entire problem, along with virtually every other file type you encounter. A HUS file is an embroidery design file format primarily associated with Husqvarna Viking embroidery machines. It contains instructions for the embroidery machine, specifying the sequence of stitches, colors, and other parameters needed to create an embroidery pattern on fabric. The file stores information about the design's layout, thread colors, and machine settings. The HUS file format is a binary format that encodes embroidery design data in a specific structure. It includes information about stitch types, coordinates, color changes, and machine commands. Embroidery software is required to interpret and convert the HUS file into a format that can be understood by other embroidery machines or for editing purposes. Commonly, HUS files use Husqvarna Viking Embroidery Software developed by VSM Group. The basic data is there, but Windows cannot process the specific formatting tags required. Windows provides no meaningful design preview, so compatible embroidery apps are required. Open the menu by right-clicking your HUS file and choosing Open With. Try Husqvarna Viking Embroidery Software first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error approach is critical for diagnosis. If the HUS file is still giving you trouble, relax. The good news is that file opening failures usually follow a pattern. You have one of three problems. I've put together a short list showing the cause and the simple check. First, use embroidery software. Open the file using a compatible embroidery software, e.g. Husqvarna Viking, Embrilliance, or Wilcom. Next, check version. Ensure your Husqvarna Viking software version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, export to DST-PS. Use the software's export function to save the file as a universal format like .dst or PS. If those HUS compatibility checks failed, it is often because the specific extension name is shared by dozens of different software developers for completely unrelated tasks. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Skip the hassle. The professional solution is File Magic. It's a universal opener for the HUS format and more. Get it at filemagic.com. Keep troubleshooting and don't give up on those tough files. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.